Hey guys, Lundrigan Outdoors out here, doing a little spring camping. And we hiked in, drove about 2 hours, hiked in about an hour, and we're here at our location now. Behind you guys, nice big beautiful lake.
We'll show you guys some more as we go, but we just went super lightweight with small rucks this time, just hammocks and stuff. We'll show you as we go, so stay tuned, and I guess here we go.
Setup's coming up, surviving.
That one to this one. We'll pull that down out of the way.
Peel off 800 layers. So.
Alright, got out there. They might come in handy tonight, though.
Oh, if it dips, and it may dip, right? That may be a thing. If it dips, it's not going to be a good one. I think that weighs a fair amount, just those stupid things, right? That's where like a Yep. This is the life in the hammock. Just got set up. I'm gonna flip you around and show you what Kevin's doing. Okay, guys. Like I said, I'm all set up. I had a little trouble flipping you around there, but we got Kevin. He's setting up. Just limbing a few of these trees. Now, we're not destroying these trees by no means, right? We're just taking a few limbs off and doing the thing. Man, this is a nice spot in the hammock right now. I feel real bad for anybody that can't be out here. Hey, where'd you go, Kev? Oh, there he is. So our original plan was to go from that tree all the way over here to that tree, which in the camera world is probably not that long, but it looks like it's a country mile. So I think maybe the new choice is to go from that tree, so our original, original tree, all the way over to here. Because, I mean, that tree's pretty good. 8-10 inches.
I think it'll work.
So yeah, we're just in backpacks today. Running some simpler gear. Really liking the hammock decision. Saving all that weight from cots and all the other things that are out there. And we didn't buy, and I mean, you're going to know this by us anyways, but we didn't buy whiz-bangy stuff. You know, the stuff we have is good. It works good. Some of it's new. Some of it's nice. But more than that, it just kind of works. And it works for us. Now, if a guy's living out here full time, doing the thing out by the lake, all day, every day, you might want to upgrade a few things. But for us, I mean, Kevin, how much did that hammock cost you?
I think it's $20.
Yeah, I'd say mine's very similar, $20, right?
Oh, that's gonna work perfect.
Has the bug net attached to it too?
Yeah.
So it's got the bug net on it. I mean, I don't think we're gonna get bugs. It's gonna be 9 degrees or maybe even colder tonight.
All right.
But cheap stuff, not cheap, cheaper, accessible. Okay, guys, we'll give it a second, and we will be right back. Watch out. You're gonna don't close your eyes. What happened to Kevin? He's out. Yeah. Yep. It is that. That being suspended, I think, is just the ticket, right?
Pretty good.
And the nice part about hammocks, don't require a pillow. Your head's already propped up, right?
Oh, buddy. Yeah, I can sleep in here. For sure. 100%. Not an issue.
Be sad to pack up and go home tomorrow after all this fucking around. Yeah. Beauties of it all.
The gear is always nice to have. Sometimes I won't spend the money myself though. Setup all kind of goes together now though. The tarp with the hammock, and you know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Everything goes together now. Look at that.
You got a different stove, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like yours too now. That's never changed it out. And I didn't want to come out. I haven't tried it in the shop yet. And I didn't want to try a brand new stove first time on a trip. So I took the stove I knew. Right?
Yeah, because guaranteed that was gonna fire.
So
Every day, all day long.
I'll get a chance to try the other one out in the shop. It should be fine, right? But it's like it's still in the two pieces, like when it comes from the factory and stuff.
Oh, okay.
So I never put it together yet. Any of that
Put
stuff.
it all back together.
Yeah. Still just in the packaging. Well, hello everybody. Once again, we're back at another bush camp. There's my like a little sleeping arrangement there. There's Phil's over here. He hasn't strung out his tarp quite tight enough, but we're just right on the edge of a lake here. So we pretty much hiked all the way around, well, at least from here, all the way in around here and out to where we are now, back towards where we left the truck. So we've been trouting, fishing, threatening the thunderstorm. Phil's just getting back there now. Let's check in and see how he did. How's the fishing, Phil?
A little rough today. No fish that I've seen or caught or seen been caught. So
Nah, I never had not even a nibble all day.
no. So that's the way it goes. It's called fishing, not catching. Welcome back, everybody. So we're here now, just at the camp, just on the side of the little lake here that we're at for the week, or for the weekday, I should say. Just a simple trip, 24 hours. Try out some gear. Seems to be going okay. I can't complain again. Now, Lundrigan Outdoors. We are really outdoors this time. We're not indoors. We're outdoors. We're hammocking. Yeah, like I said earlier, there, a couple hours in, and then about an hour hike and set up today. We've gone through some fishing, which we've had not a lot of luck on, but it was nice to get fishing rods out. It's been a few years for me, and I think same for Kevin, getting out and doing fishing things. Yeah, there's a fire ban on right now, so we can't have a fire or anything. So we just brought the little stoves and cooked our food. So far, we've had lunch and dinner and did some fishing and hiking around, and it's been a good day. It's just good to get back outside. So, and yeah, just doing things super simple, super easy, and no real big stress. Like there's no fire, so we're not doing a lot of firewood things. We strung some tarps and kind of got ourselves under these things. Looked like it was gonna rain, and then now it's sunny again. So who really knows? But a little bit of time just to relax, right, and take the time. So now between back and forth to the lake, just having a few flicks with the rod every now and then, and flaking out in the hammock, and just waiting for dark, and maybe have some snacks before bed. But other than that, we're just gonna sleep under the tarps again tonight, which is surprisingly super comfortable, and maybe unsurprisingly for a lot of people to do this kind of thing. It's a different experience for sure, being in this hammock. I like it. Super lightweight. I think my total kit weight coming in with water was like under 30 pounds, like 20, 27, 28 pounds around there, I guess, give or take. But super easy to carry. I like it. So this could be the lightweight bush camping gear now, hey? Yeah, no, I think it's the start of that. I think now that we've been out once, we see where we could have maybe different stuff. Better is not always the option, but just different stuff and for different applications. But you pack your bag and you get it to be your 30 pounds, and then you repack it and it's 45, and you repack it and it's 50. Before you know it, you're 150 pounds packing in, and you don't make it 4 meters off the parking lot before you have a heart attack. So yeah, it's just all about how comfortable do you want to be when you're out here. And for some people, it's way simpler than even what we bring out. And for others, it's you want to have every gizmo and gadget, and that's cool, right on. So yeah, just wanted to check in. Probably rolled in some stuff showing what we were doing today, but other than that, now it's just hunker down for tonight, pretty much. Do the things. Yeah, get all tucked away and put away, and the food tied up somewhere. Not much food left, anyways. Only here till tomorrow morning, so get all that stuff stored away and tucked into bed. And I bet you it's gonna take me about 3.5 minutes to fall asleep. So we'll check in again now when we're getting tucked in for the night. Have a good one. Surviving.
Well, good morning, everybody. Me and Phil never taped anything last night before we went to sleep. We just kind of ended up in the bed and went to sleep. Never said good night or nothing. But it's 9 o'clock now, I think. Slept pretty good. A little bit of rain last night. Not a big deal. There's Philly over there in his setup.
Hey guys, how's it going? It was a great night. Not the most perfect. Few additions to this whole setup would have been better. I did kind of miss my thermarest, so that is something.
Yeah, thermarest makes a big difference in the hammock.
Yeah. Cold butt is not nice.
No, and it got chilly last night too for a little while.
Yeah, I agree.
I didn't do too bad. Not too bad. Well, I mean, the bivvy and that made a big difference. I'm just a little bit of rain. That was nice.
Well, a few more additions to the system, and it makes it just that much better.
So we're just gonna flake out here for a bit, get some breakfast, pack up, and we're heading out today. So check back in a bit.
Surviving.
It's right here. Oh, sure. There's shit all over my campsite. And go
Cleaners.
go over to your side and shit on your side.
How's it going, big guy? Fucking crazy, fucking.
Crazy. Like, why him? Of all of the. But what? Why? It's not like he's eating. Like, he was eating for a little bit, but it's not like he's eating now.
No, it's just. And he came right up that bank. That bank is steep as hell, man.
It's steep as hell. I didn't hear him.
Just looked over and there he is, chilling. I think he's the one too that chased off the other.
Ah.
I think he's like the resident big guy. Dominant.
Are you a boy or are you a girl? How do we know?
I don't know.
We're flip him over.
Here you go. I'll videotape it.
Oh, God.
Hardly even know we were here.
I'd say